5 English phrases for giving directions. This will help you learn how you can give directions easily. Tell me this, do you struggle to give directions in English? Don't worry. Here are 5 simple English phrases that will help you guide someone clearly and confidently. Phrase 1. Go straight and turn left. Use this to give basic, simple directions. These are perfect for helping someone get started on the right path. Phrase 2. It's right across from the bank. This helps people find a place by using a clear landmark. It's great when the location is easy to spot. Phrase 3. Walk 2 blocks and you'll see it on your right. This is useful for short walking distances. It tells the listener exactly how far to go and where to look. Phrase 4. Take the second right at the traffic light. This gives a specific turning point and is perfect for both drivers and walkers. Phrase 5. It's next to the supermarket. Another easy landmark phrase. Super helpful when the place isn't immediately visible. Conclusion. Try these phrases the next time someone asks for directions and you'll sound clear, helpful and confident. Want a dialogue using all 5 phrases? Try one of these. Happy learning, like, share and subscribe.